Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about tan of A minus B equals to tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Now, this one is about capital A. This one that is about capital B. And now I will put this one go to the right. So we have like this. Now I will transform this one into this one. So A minus A we cancel. Next we have the formula in here. So when s approaches to number 0 of tan as over as, we have number 1. So this one over s, we have number 1 in here. And now we have the final answer. We put s approach to number 0 on here. And now we have 1 plus tan a square. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.